These are my two UDL influence reflections. The first one is a s'more, in which I explain what modules influence my lesson plan. Those modules were Module 5, 8, and 9. Module 5 influenced my lesson plan by the articles that were provided. It helped with the content standards, learning objective, level of Bloom's, and co-teaching model. The articles gave me some examples on how it should be structured. Module 8 helped me understand the 5 E's of a lesson plan. I did have some small understanding, but this module helped me a lot more understanding what kind of examples should be in each E and how to structure them. Module 5, having a Zoom session with our co-teacher helped develop the whole process of the lesson plan with different ideas. The second UDL was a memed PowerPoint. In this UDL, I focused on the meaning of MMECCA, the meaning of UDL, and each part of the brain that helps with the learning and working in a diverse classroom. The meaning of MMECCA is the first M is methods, next M materials, E environment, C content, C collaboration, and A assessment. The UDL has 3 different parts of the brain that helps the learning. The first one is the green part of the brain, in which it stimulates the interest in learning. The purple is the recognition network, which is where the information presents itself. The blue part is a strategic network, and this is a different ways in which the student expresses what they know. Teachers should take into consideration that they are going to be teaching in a diverse classroom, so they should be prepared to focus on different learnings of different students and be able to provide extra resources to those students.